It's about to be 4, and maybe we'll give a couple of minutes so that people can join from different places. Then we'll start.
Farmina.
It's been an online forum, so I think people are taking their own time to join. If it was
Yeah,
in Faxi, I think we could have seen like people.
a packed audience by now.
Let's start, Raju.
Yeah, few more people to join, but okay, fine, no issues. We'll start.
Yes,
Okay,
Raju. Go
so
ahead.
let me start with somebody was talking. Okay, no issues. So happy Onam to all of us present and all of us in Saskin. And Onam has been a harvest festival, and we all cherish, celebrate each year which has gone by, and which every year coming in we celebrate with the same enthu, and we have seen that enthusiasm in all of us, which while we were celebrating all these years. Hi, Sidhu. So happy Onam to all of you, and just wanted to take this moment. We are going through a tough time past couple of years. To be precise, from last year onwards. Last year we celebrated similar way, and this year also in the same way. But our enthu is not gone down. So we all will, until unless we celebrate yet again another Onam festival in our own Faxi, Audi, the way we used to celebrate, and into all people across culture, creed, whatever it is, and we all join together hands and have our feast and our festivals. Let's wait for that thing to happen. Until then, we wanted to have some sort of festival and share our prayers and wishes to each other. So this was one of the forum. It's in teams. Our it's limited, but still it's a festival time. Happy Onam to each and everyone. And with that, I just wanted Swami sir to start with the inaugural address. Then we'll pass on from there.
Thank you, Raju. Thank you for the organizing committee for showing your enthusiasm. Despite the fact that being virtual and virtually present sort of limits a lot of the possibilities. But then, Onam is a festival of belief. It's a belief that goes back into hundreds and hundreds of years, in fact, centuries of existence, where it's commonly believed that someone who is very loving to people, even though he may no longer be with us, like the spirit of Mahavali visits us every year, year after year, trying to bring joy to humanity. So I think it is actually a miracle to be born as a human being. It requires a blessing if you believe that. Further, as a human being, to be born in India is a big blessing. On top of that, to be born in one of the beautiful states of India, which is called, for all the right reason, God's own country, is a bigger blessing. And it's from this state, I think, in an extremely secular tradition, which cuts across any narrow limitations of religion or community. The beauty of the state comes together in a very vibrant way to take over 10 days to celebrate this entire festival. This festival is also marked by something which is very unique in the sense it's not about getting, it's about giving. The spirit of giving is what is constantly reminded to us here, where we take a huge amount of effort to go and buy things for people whom we cherish and call our family. The quantum of the gift or the quantity doesn't matter, but you can see the frenzy of activities that go on to build it. The second thing one may ask is, why do people prepare these many dishes for Onam? Once again, it's not with the narrow self-interest of only eating, but it is to share with your neighbors, to share with people who may not have it, that people prepare and openly invite graciously their neighbors to actually partake in the festivities. So, like Raju, I am extremely hopeful. Today, one of the WHO representatives has said, hopefully this pandemic will downgrade to an endemic. And in 2022, around this time frame, by the grace of the Almighty and everyone else, all of us will be gathered in larger numbers. There'll be no required to wait for 3 minutes. By now, actually, we'd be feeling sleepy, but yet enthusiastically awaiting the joyous celebration of the post-Sadhya beauty of the Onam. So having said these sort of words, I am extremely thankful for the vibrant Malayalam community in this company, which has never considered itself an outside entity, but an integral part of SASCN, and has brought about a huge amount of fun and happiness in celebrating this in the most secular and vibrant traditions. Of course, I'm going to be 1 kg lighter because the Sadhya is missing, but I don't think the fun is going to be anything less. We also have Edwin, who has joined this, and I think at the right opportunity, I leave it to the Master of Ceremonies, Raju, to sort of invite Edwin to share his views on this.
Don't do that. Don't do that. For once, I just want to be a good spectator. And I just want this Swami fellow keeps pulling me everywhere. Right now I'm like the olden days. There used to be a juke. Every restaurant used to have a box called jukebox. And some of you may not even remember it because it's beyond your generation. But anybody could walk up, put 50 paise coin, and record will pop up and things. So when I come to any event that Swami is running, I feel like a jukebox. Somebody will come, put 50 paise coin, and a record is supposed to pop up. Today, no. Today, I'm going to just sit down for the next, 30 minutes or whatever time that has been set aside for this. I want to sit down and I'm listen.
Edwin, this is a happy harvest festival and a new year to all. And we give and take all good things which we have. So we share this to our colleagues, our friends, family, everybody.
Super. Super.
So
Fantastic.
as a gesture, we also would like to hear 2 words from you. So that will motivate us
2 words.
and take us to a next level
Okay, let me
in
see.
Saskatchewan.
I've got so many friends in this call. Deepa is
Maybe-
there. Ponmi is there. Ponmi, on my behalf, you say 1 word. Deepa, you say another word. Ho gaya, 2 words.
Maybe Edwin, we would like to hear some of your one-liners, or you always tell at point number 1, 2, 3. So maybe something of that sort.
I told you my
He
friend.
tells a
sister,
story also.
So I tell stories, I tell all these things. That's what I'm saying. I'm like a jukebox. 50 paise coin, record will pop up, we'll sing. Now, this time, nothing. I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to watch you guys. I'm going to enjoy myself, and I'm going to say, okay, I'll whistle in on that if you want.
Absolutely.
Yes, that's done. That's enough. That's enough. That's fine.
That's enough.
Thank you so much.
That's enough.
Fantastic. Good. Thank you so much, guys.
Okay.
Bye.
So let's.
But anyway, I wish you all a great Onam. You see, it is definitely a time to celebrate, a time to remember that all of the challenges of life finally lead to something that is good. I suppose that's the biggest learning of anything that is harvest. It's a time for us to be thankful. It's a time also for us to share, because as we harvest, we realize in life that there are some who never had a harvest. So I suppose in the old world of harvesting, they brought the grains together so they could give it to people who didn't have the grains. So it's a time of sharing. It's a time of being grateful. It's a time of celebration, because you've been through so much of hard adversities before you could reap that harvest. And I suppose finally, it is a time, any harvest is a time of community. It's a time of coming together. And I think if this organization has to break out and once again be the Saskin of high growth, we have to be able to recreate that community that we call Saskin. All right. So events like this is for me the most important. So Raju, I finished my 2 words. I finished actually 5 words.
Thank
more
you.
than
Thank
10
you,
to
sir.
20 words.
Presence
And
itself
this all
is,
and with
for
this,
us.
I will stop and hand it back to you guys. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So moving on, let's see one video from which is taken from Kerala Tourism Development.org. So it's about Onam and the various things about Onam. Joyce, can you just take us through that video?
Sure, Raju. I'm loading that. Thank you. Raju, over to you.
Thank you, Joyce, for such a beautiful video. We have taken though from the tourism development org website, but it gives a view about the entire 10 days of festival which we celebrate as part of Onam. So thanks for that. And now we'd like to have a short session on quiz on Onam, which is prepared by Rajiv. And Rajiv, can you just
And Archana as well, right?
Archana, Rajiv and Archana.
I'll share. Give me a minute.
Rajiv, you can come on. Rajiv and Archana, you can come on video and then start your quiz.
Yeah, hi all. Good afternoon.
Hi all. You're able to see the.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
go ahead.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, Archana and Rajiv.
Hi. So let's start with a quiz. So it's a mixture of questions related to Onam, and some of them are general knowledge quiz, so that everybody can participate. Yeah, please raise your virtual hands so that we'll ask the specific person to answer. Yeah, let's start, Rajiv.
So first question is name any two events of Saskan regular Onam celebrations. Most of you would have attended celebrations in the past years, so you can name it.
Swami sir cannot raise hands.
Yes.
Swami sir, raise hand first. Yeah. So let's give opportunity to new entrant Prithvi.
Yes.
Can you unmute? Yeah, hi.
Good evening. Basically, generally we used to play a rope pulling and lemon spoon game.
Yes, yes.
That
Any
is one.
other event which you remember? Any other than this?
Onam Sadhya.
Yes. So
Yes,
two.
yes.
Yeah.
That is the.
Any others who would like to try? There are many, right?
You need to raise hand.
Yes. Anybody else?
Anybody else, guys?
There are 41 of us here.
Naga.
Yeah.
Vandana.
So
Yeah.
lighting
Yeah,
of
Naga.
lamp by our CEO sir, and then one photo session with him.
Nice. Vandana.
That's nice.
What I recollect is tips and payasam distribution.
Awesome.
Yeah, Siddharth mentioned pulling rope. Yeah, Siddharth.
Yeah, tug of war too.
Yeah, tug of war. Yeah. And the prize for tug of war?
Bananas from Rajiv's farm.
Yeah. So that sums up the answers, I think. Rajiv, we can move to the next question.
We'll move to the next question. And before moving, I want to just, so whatever comes to my mind is Joyce brainstorming sessions before the Onam celebration. So if
I
something
can't.
does not happen, he will come and beat us. That is the way things happen. So, we
Who?
still remember. So Onam means Joyce. First
Yeah, exactly. Even I wanted to say Onam means Joyce. We're missing you, Joyce, right now.
Okay. Next year he'll be back. This year he has some limitations, personal limitations to take up.
Yes.
Okay, moving to the next question. Onam is celebrated in which Malayalam month? Your options are Magaram, Chingam, Kanni, Thulam. Kemili?
It's Chingam.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the right
correct.
answer. We'll move to the next question.
Yep.
What is Mahabali's grandfather's name? Chandrasenan, Prahladan, Chiranjeevi.
Yeah, Sudhir, go ahead.
Prahladan.
Yeah, correct answer.
Thank you.
Next question. Mahabalipuram is situated in which state? Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Telangana. Okay. Camelia?
Tamil Nadu.
Telangana.
No, wrong answer.
No, who told Tamil Nadu? Somebody told Tamil Nadu?
Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, that's correct. Tamil Nadu is the correct answer. But who gave it? Deepti?
Prithvi
Or
said
Prithvi?
Tamil Nadu.
Prithvi, yeah. Yeah, that's the right answer, Prithvi. Yeah, moving to the next question. Rajiv?
Yeah. Which fruit is common in Onam Sadhya? Jackfruit, banana, mango, orange.
Yeah. Deepti, go ahead.
Banana.
Any more answers?
Yeah, there is jackfruit. Yeah.
Who told jackfruit? Sami sir, okay. Correct, banana is the right answer. We'll go to the next question.
Yes. Channapatna is in Karnataka is famous for vegetables, toys, sports, tourism. Oh, this is simple.
Toys. Prabhu, toys.
Yeah,
Prabhu,
toys.
correct answer. Prabhu. But you did not raise your hands, I think.
Yeah, you just jumped in.
So others lost chance. Okay.
Yes. We'll move to the next question.
Pulikali is celebrated in which Onam day?
Not 3rd, not 7th. Anyone else wants to guess? Siddharth?
You have to raise your hand. Yeah, Pawan?
Is it 4?
Yeah, right answer. You have to come in on.
Yeah.
Right answer.
Thanks that everyone answered 7 and 1.
Yes, excluded other answers.
Yeah, Siddharth had answered earlier. He had typed in the answer.
But by the way, Pawan is not answering. Pawan is asking.
No, I am answering. It is 7.
No, you said it is.
Hope
It's
you read
4.
our mails.
Joint answer. Joint answer is Siddharth and Pawan. Both
Thanks.
answers.
So prizes we will share with each other.
Yeah.
Moving to the next question. Archana?
Yeah. How many districts are there in Karnataka? 28, 32, 31, 29. There are some answers coming in.
You have to raise your hands and answer. And if possible, switch on your video.
Please.
27.
Who's that? Prithvi? No? Anyone
31.
else? Yes. Who's that?
Nagasudhir here.
Yeah, hi. Yeah. Sudhir, yeah, that's the correct answer.
Which district? Which is the last district? Last one.
Don't know.
No idea. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Vijayanagara is the last district.
Correct.
That's correct. That's correct.
So
Okay.
next question
Ravi, we
is,
can move to the next question.
is visible, right? Screen? Hello?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes, it's visible.
Yes.
It's visible.
In which Veda Onam related details are mentioned? Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, other Veda.
I'm not very sure about Onam, but I know stories of Mahabali and others will come in Rigveda. I am aware of that. Maybe it should be related to Onam as well.
Correct, correct. It's correct. Correct answer.
That's correct. Yeah.
So moving on to the next question, Archana, you can.
Yeah. Longest javelin throw in the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. How much was it? 86.58 meters, 87.58 meters, 88.58 meters, 89.58 meters. And Archana has given the right answer, though she has not raised her hand. It's correct, Archana. It's 87.58 meters.
Many.
Sakiri also has given the right answer.
Yes, yes, correct.
Yes, yes.
Prithvi
And
also.
also Prithvi.
Prithvi. So,
Yeah, good. Next question.
yeah. First, Pookalam decoration starts on which day? Chitira, Chodi, Puralam, Attam.
Deepa?
Deepa?
No.
Yeah, many right answers are coming.
Yeah, Camelia, it's right. It's Attam.
So, the last question. Deepa cannot make a mistake because she was setting the values, right?
Yes.
So, last one.
Which Onam Day flower decoration is done in square format? Yeah, the Pookalam which is put, it's put in square. Chitra, Chodi, Moolam, Pooradam. This is a difficult one. Let's see who gets this. Camelia?
Me.
Oh, Purnami. Yes.
Can I say?
It's on my daughter's birthday. It is Moolam.
Yeah, you're correct.
Correct.
It's correct.
Okay. So that's over. Thank you
Thanks
all
all.
for participating.
I have one question to ask to all of you.
Sure.
We had mentioned that in one of our mailers from Incom. Okay. Kanam vittum onam unnanam. It's a proverb in Malayalam. So if anybody can tell me what is that meant?
Non-Malus has to answer, right?
Don't feel shy and freak out in the sadhya.
Yeah, Sadhya, just eat whatever you see.
No. What does that proverb mean? Kanam
Basically, Raju is asking that, okay, what is the meaning and what exactly it meant?
At least we should have send a property and what we have, like property or something. We have to sell it, and we have to and we have to eat on that day.
Yeah, that is correct. But how the real meaning is, even if you don't have any money with you, even if you are supposed to sell some valuables or property or anything, you have to sell it and try to have a sumptuous meal on that day and celebrate that. That's the inner meaning of it. Good. Thank
Absolutely. you. Even if that you have to sell your property, your land, you do that one, and then you have the lunch on that particular day. Don't leave the lunch on the Onam day.
Yeah.
It's nice to see you, Joyce.
Correct.
Yeah. Thank you, Deepa.
Thank you, Archana and KKR for Rajiv for such a beautiful questionnaire, and we all went through this. Good. And Joyce will now show us another video how we have celebrated Onam in the past in Faxi. So
Sure, Raju.
let's see that, and let's see how we celebrated, and hopefully we will do that in coming year.
Yeah,
similar.
This was the part of the celebration before this pandemic started, and this was compiled by our young and energetic youngsters from Sasken, Unis and his team. So I'll be sharing that. You're able to hear the sound?
Speaker volume you can increase.
Okay, once again I'll share. Hold on.
Audio is not.
Yeah, understood. Are you able to hear?
1 minute.
Yes.
തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസാകി നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണ പാട്ട്
തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസാകി നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണ പാട്ട്
മാവിൻ കൊമ്പേറുന്നൊരു പൂവാലിക്കുയിലേ മാവേലി തമ്പ്രാന്റെ വരവായാ ചൊല്ല് തിരുവാവണിരാവ്
മനസാകി നിലാവ്
മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണ പാട്ട് തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസാകി നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ
മലരോണ പാട്ട്
പൊട്ടിയ കുപ്പായം ഉടുത്തു മണ്ടണ കാലത്തെ മിടുക്കി പെണ്ണെ എന്നോട് നെഞ്ചിൽ നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ കുടുക്കു പൊട്ടിയ കുപ്പായം ഉടുത്തു മണ്ടണ കാലത്തെ മിടുക്കി പെണ്ണെ എന്നോട് നെഞ്ചിൽ നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ On the floor, baby, hit it hard, baby, rock the party, baby, patulengi podi. On the floor, baby, hit it hard, baby, rock the party, baby, patulengi podi. Kudukku pottiya kuppayam muduthu mandana kalatte midukki penne ennude nenjil nadukirunnavalane nee. നടവരമ്പത്ത് കണ്ടാലും പഠിക്കലങ്ങനെ നിന്നാലും പടച്ചെറപ്പേ പിന്നെന്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ പടക്ക പീടിക കത്തുന്നേ അരിക്കലത്തിലും പൊന്നമ്മ കാശൊളിപ്പിച്ച പോലെ ഞാൻ ഒതുക്കി വെച്ചത് കൊടുക്കം കണ്ടവൻ പറിച്ചെടുത്തത് കണ്ടില്ലേ On the floor, baby, hit it hard, baby, rock the party, baby, patulengi podi. On the floor, baby, hit it hard, baby, rock the party, baby, patulengi podi. കുടിച്ചിറക്കിയ കണ്ണീരിൽ അടിച്ചു തെന്നി ഞാൻ വീഴുമ്പം പിടിച്ചു നിൽക്കാൻ പഴുതടയും ചിരിച്ചിരിക്കല്ലേ ചങ്ങാതി
Over to you.
Thank you, Joyce, for such a beautiful video. I'm getting goosebumps after seeing all these things which you have done in the past. Many Onam celebrations we had in Sasken, but I think only after Unes started picking up all our videos and collating it and making it happen. So we missed previous ones. We should have made more.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is the last one which we had done before the pandemic in 2019 and 2020-21. We were not able to do that one. Hopefully 2022 is the best year which is coming up.
This is the only Onam which I managed to get some sumptuous meal. For other Onams, we remember only eating rice and some pickle. We were the last ones to eat after giving food to all the people.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Good.
Okay. Yeah.
Good. Thank you again. And now I would like to invite Purnami, one and only singer over here now. Please come, switch on your video and
Hi.
let's hear a beautiful song from you, Purnami.
Yeah, so thank you for giving me this opportunity. This song which I'm going to sing is specifically about the Harvest Festival. It's a movie song, but it's specifically on the harvest part of the Kerala, and it's okay. Thank you. I will start singing now. കേരനിരകളാടും ഒരു ഹരിത ചാരുതീരം പുഴയോരം കളമേളം കവിത പാടും തീരം കായലലകൾ പുൽകും ഒരു തനുനീരൻ കാറ്റിൽ ഇലഞ്ഞാറിൽ ഇലയാടും കുളിരുലാവും നാട് നിറപറയേകാമെന്നരിയ നീരിനായി പുതുവിള നീരുന്നോരിടയനാടിതാ പാടാം കുട്ടനാടിൻ നീണം കേരനിരകളാടും ഒരു ഹരിത ചാരുതീരം പുഴയോരം കളമേളം കവിത പാടും തീരം തേ 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 തിത്തേ താര തേ 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 തിത്തേ താര തേ 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 പൊന്നാരിൻ കതിരിടും സ്വർണമണി നിറമോ കണ്ണിന് കണിയാകും നിറപറയോ പെണ്ണാള് കൊയ്തു വരും കറ്റ നിറ പൊലിയായി നെല്ലറ നിറയണം മനസ്സു പോലെ ഉത്സവത്തൊടി താള കൊടിയേറ്റം മത്സര കളിവള്ള തിരയോട്ടം പെണ്ണിനു മനമാകെ തകിലാട്ടം പാടാം കുട്ടനാടിൻ നീണം കേരനിരകളാടും ഒരു ഹരിത ചാരുതീരം പുഴയോരം കളമേളം കവിത പാടും തീരം തേ 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 തിത്തേ താര തേ തേ തോം തേ 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 തിത്തേ താര തേ തേ തോം. Thank you.
Brilliant, excellent.
Thank you all.
Thank you, Purnami, for such a beautiful song. So now I'll hand it over to the Incom team, Amaya and Deepa, to take it forward. They have something surprising quiz for us. You all can participate in that.
It's games.
Thank you, Raju. First of all, thank you so much, guys. It was wonderful event and lovely singing, Purnami, as always. So I'll be sharing a presentation. We've just managed to grab few pictures from the previous years. So and it's just a puzzle. So you'll have to guess who is there in that puzzle. Okay?
Sure, Ramya. Go ahead.
Yeah, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
The only rule will be, if you know it's your picture, then please do not guess.
Everybody can shout and just, unmute and just shout it out. Shout the name out.
Yeah. You can just unmute yourself, come on video, anything. So the first one.
Archana.
There's one more person.
Paurnami.
Paurnami is there.
Paurnami.
One is Archana, one is Paurnami.
Archana and Paurnami. Yeah.
Oh. As always, eating photo.
That's the only place I think
Everyone
we
can
capture
participate,
everyone.
guys. Everyone.
Yeah, that's the only place where we can see together, both of them.
Okay.
Either in the chips distribution corner or in the or inside the Audi for the sadhya.
Yeah. Only we eat. You all eat air, right?
Yeah. I belted.
Okay, so here we go. Second one.
Joyce.
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 This is the classic one.
Yes,
so Joyce,
Mavini.
is it true?
Hey Joyce, when did you do the catwalk?
Okay, here we go.
You're on mute, Joyce.
Joyce, you're on mute.
Sorry. This
Joe
was
Saturn.
the previous one
This is
was
Joe
that
Saturn.
after completing everything, okay, going and collecting everything and going back to the cubicle. Somebody clicked that photo that time.
This is KL Jose. This is Joe
And
Saturn.
there is one more person.
Let us give chance to somebody else. No.
Joyce and Joseton, right?
Joe Saturn and Joyce.
Correct.
So what's the expansion of KL Joyce? KL Jose. What does KL stand for? Anybody?
Lonan Jose.
Lonan.
Lonan.
K, not sure.
KL is registration number, vehicle registration number.
I hope it's not hearing here.
That is luckily not here.
Anyway, we have recorded Rajiv, so be careful.
Okay, here we go. Next one.
One is Uday. Uday.
Okay.
He's with his buddy.
Ranjit.
Ranjit and Uday.
Okay, there's one more person.
There's one more person.
Yeah, there's one more person.
I think it is Paurnami.
Lady
No,
is
it's not Paurnami.
smiling. Here only. Archana.
Archana. Yeah, it's Archana, correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, any
this is more
Mahabali. Biju Jatan.
Biju plus
Biju
Mahabali.
along with Jason.
Biju Jatan and what's his name?
Jason.
Jason.
Daniel.
The Mahabali.
Yeah, correct area.
Jason.
Jason is on call. I don't know.
He was there, I guess.
Yeah.
Really difficult.
Very
to guess.
difficult. Next.
Swami sir.
Sir.
Yes, Swami sir.
From side angle, I can guess it is Swami.
From the cheeks, I could guess it is Swami sir.
Stop to all the Onam Sadhya.
Next one.
Raju.
This is me.
Raju.
Yeah.
You broke the rule, Raju. The only rule.
The only rule. You were not supposed to guess.
All rules are to be broken, okay? So
I
that's
was
that he did.
about to say that.
Granted, all rules are to be broken uphill.
Yeah.
Okay. Oops.
Oops.
Oh.
He's gone.
Suresh Hegde.
Yeah.
Suresh and Shaili.
Shaili.
And Bhupati.
And Bhupati.
Yeah.
Bhupati is also there. Okay. So I think this is the last one we have. Yeah.
Neeta.
Neeta.
Who else?
Yes, Neeta.
And
There are-
Kate. Who is that?
I think
Ganesh.
Ganesh, yes. Ganesh.
And one more.
Who guessed Ganesh?
Ganesh, T. Gans. T. Ganesh.
Yes.
Correct.
That's right.
All right.
Guys, I hope you had fun.
Yes, we all had fun.
Yes, it was. It was very creative.
Pretty nostalgic.
Really good.
Yeah, it was not nostalgic.
I know we all are missing our campus right now. Yeah.
Definitely.
You're speaking on mute.
Oh yeah, I was speaking on mute. Sorry. So we were missing all this action live. So hopefully coming year we will all celebrate together. Thank you, Amaya. And I just wanted to hand it over to Archana to say a few words, a vote of thanks, and then we will culminate, close.
Yeah. So as we come to the end of SASKIN Virtual Onam celebration, I would like to thank Intercom team and Swami sir for this beautiful celebration and creating beautiful mailers for each day of Onam. That was really nice. Thanks Edwin for joining the event today. Last but not least, I would like to thank all Sasians who participated in this event and made it successful. Would like to conclude with the below thought. Onam is a celebration of a glorious past, an inspiring past of King Mahabali, which was full of happiness and prosperity. It is a reminder that we can create the same tomorrow with our efforts today. Thank you. Bye.
Just a quick opportunity to sort of thank everybody who organized this. Raju for anchoring it, Purnami, Joyce Cheta, everybody, Archana, Rajiv, and my team, also Edwin. Also a quick reminder, please, those of you who have not taken your vaccine, SASKIN has been doing its utmost to run vaccination camps. The camps at FAGSI are over, but ERT is still facilitating to get your vaccination, whatever your hometown may be, through BGS in Karnataka and other places. Please avail your vaccination as prescribed by the medical fraternity and stay safe. Thanks everybody for joining, and thanks to my lovely team for organizing this. Any concluding words, Edwin, from you? You permitted me to put you on the spot.
Not at all, Swami. I think the only thing left to say is, every festival we celebrate is supposed to be a blessing in our homes. So I want to wish each one of you joy, happiness, contentment, blessings, and the best that God can offer each one of you in each one of your homes. God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, everybody. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you all.
Thank you, Raju
Thank
and
you,
Archana for
everyone.
anchoring this one. Savanami for beautiful singing, and Raju and Archana for the quiz, and also from Incom team, Amaya and team for that wonderful photo session. Thank you very much.
And Joyce
Joyce,
for the
we're waiting
videos.
for
Thank you
having
so
you
much.
bash in FAGSI coming here. We will all enjoy there.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Thank
We
you,
will have
everyone.
a potluck sadhya the day we come back.
Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
please.
Yeah, sure.
We had a young participant. You're free to shout.
That is from Archana's side,
Archana's
right?
daughter. Yes, that was Archana's daughter.
Bring her in.
Yeah.
Bring her in, Archana.
Another Sassian.
Budding Sassian. Come here.
Budding Sassian. I'm Saskian Montessori child, so naturally another Sassian only. It's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Chalo.
Well done. Well
Yes.
done.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.